Science isn't just a collection of facts and theories, it's a powerful tool that shapes our lives on both personal and societal levels. Let's explore how. Personal perspectives. Health and wellness. Science has revolutionized healthcare, from understanding the human body to developing life-saving treatments. We make informed choices about our health based on scientific knowledge, from nutrition to exercise to preventative measures. Daily life. Science is woven into the fabric of our daily routines. The technology we use, the food we eat, the transportation we rely on, all have scientific foundations. Understanding scientific principles empowers us to make informed decisions and solve everyday problems. Personal growth. Science fosters curiosity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. It encourages us to question assumptions, seek evidence, and develop innovative solutions. These skills are invaluable for personal and professional growth. Social perspectives. Technological advancements. Scientific discoveries drive technological innovation, transforming industries and shaping societies. From communication to transportation to energy, technology improves our quality of life and connects us globally. Environmental stewardship. Science helps us understand the natural world and its delicate balance. It provides the tools to address environmental challenges like climate change, pollution, and resource depletion. Ethical considerations. Scientific advancements often raise ethical questions. Society must engage in thoughtful discussions about the implications of new technologies and their potential impact on individuals and communities. Economic growth. Scientific research and innovation are key drivers of economic growth. They create jobs, stimulate industries, and improve standards of living. How to foster a science-informed perspective. Stay curious, embrace a lifelong love of learning and explore scientific topics that interest you. Critical thinking. Question information, seek evidence, and evaluate arguments from multiple perspectives. Scientific literacy. Develop a basic understanding of scientific concepts and methods. Engage with science. Participate in science-related activities, visit museums, and attend public lectures. Ethical awareness. Consider the ethical implications of scientific advancements and advocate for responsible use of technology.